Well, anyone that's been following, these guys are getting pretty big. The only one I've named so far is Nicolau, this big one right here. I try to clean their nest box weekly just because a lot of poop develops, but nice and clean now, and we'll check in again. If there's any content or questions you guys have, just let me know. I'm not a pro, but I've just been trying my best. So this is most of them right here. And all the time I just do lots of slow movements. That way everyone gets used to me really good. So there's Mama back there, Mama Sarah. Hey Sarah. So she's been coming out more, probably just eating and stuff, and you can see I come out here a lot, so they're really nice and relaxed when I come out here. And they're sleeping right here. Pretty fun stuff. That's their little box. And again, if there's any content or questions you guys have, just let me know. I'm all stuffed up right now, so I sound like poop, but check it out for now. See ya.